Dear India, the past year has been transformational for each one of us. The world came to a standstill, and life as we know changed like we never expected or thought was possible. But what kept us going was the hope for a better tomorrow. I strongly believe that you learn from every crisis. It accelerates your learning curve. One of the biggest learnings for me from 2020 was to never let a crisis go waste. When I look at some of the best civilizations around the world, the biggest crisis in front of them made them stronger, better, and allowed them to create huge success. While the hospitality industry was one of the most impacted by the pandemic, it also gave us a lens to the future. It helped us reassess and retool with the power of technology, data, and innovation while creating industry first measures like sanitize in front of your eyes, sanitize stays, contactless check in, and to adapt to a new normal. And you know how to keep safe whenever you're traveling out or stepping out in general. Looking into 2021, I feel there is a strong opportunity to drive domestic tourism in the country. This is our time for being vocal for local and creating better opportunities at a grassroots level. I remember the first time I had the opportunity and the honor to speak at the Startup India event 5 years back. And I promised that we will build a company where the products are designed in India but built for the world. That remains our biggest commitment. I believe a combination of vocal for local and design in India but made for the world is a golden ticket to put the smaller hidden gems of India on the world map and drive local opportunities and revive the financial condition of cash-strapped small and independent hotel and homeowners. I'm proud to tell you that OYO opened holiday homes in Kevadia in Gujarat. Each one of those homes are running at substantial occupancy, much more than that of 60 to 70% in such tough times, showing you how small businesses can come into the world map and get substantial income, and the cash-strapped small hotel and homeowners can also succeed. The owners of equipping these destinations with good quality accommodations is on us and every hospitality player in the country. And let me assure you to ensure that I and all the people in the hospitality industry are working hard in delivering the value proposition of better quality stay at the right price point and delivering safety and security to sanitize stays standard operating procedures. We understand that as people gradually begin to travel again and developments of the vaccine keeps us optimistic or frankly makes us even more optimistic, the travel and the holiday industry is likely to not just see its recovery, but probably see substantial amount of growth. I feel that 2020 has taught us the value of perseverance and being kind to each other, and we should let these attributes drive even as we see a goodbye to the pandemic being close. As an entrepreneur, I am an eternal believer and positive that the world would see better days in 2021. This is my hope for the world. This is my hope for the people of our nation. I'd like to take this opportunity again to wish every Indian a very happy Republic Day. Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai. Thank you.